Hello, my dear students. In this session, let us learn an important topic of electrochemistry: resistance and conductance. All conductors will not allow 100% of flow of electrons. They offer some obstructions to the flow. This obstruction or the opposing force to the flow of electron, we call it as resistance. So resistance can be defined as the obstruction to the flow of current is the resistance of any conductor. This resistance depends on two factors. One is the length and the other one is area. See how it is related to length. If there is more length, if let us say the length is more, then the flowing electron has to pass through more hurdles. It is as good as we are traveling in a long traffic. So longer the traffic, difficulty is the traveling. So that's why if there is more length, then there will be more resistance. If the roads are wider, it will become easy to travel, or in other words, obstructions will be very less. So that's why it is inversely proportional to area of cross section. Broader the wire, easily the electron flow, or in other words, difficulty to the flow of electron is less. Or longer the length, difficult for the flow of electron, or it will become easy for the difficulty for it will become very much difficult for the flow of electron. So that's why R is directly proportional to length. Resistance is directly proportional to length of the conductor, and it is inversely proportional to area of cross section. Broader the passage, easily the electron can flow. Narrow the passage, difficulty in the flow of electrons, so higher will be the resistance. So from this we can call that R is directly proportional to L by A. If you want to put a proportionality constant, R is equal to rho into L by A. This rho is called resistivity of the conductor. Let us look at here. R is equal to rho into L by A. Here R stands for resistance. The unit of resistance is ohm. The unit of resistance is ohm. L stands for length. Length of the conductor. It can be either taken in centimeter or meter, depending upon whether it is a CGS unit or SI unit. Area will be in terms of cm square or meter square, square centimeter or square meter. And rho is called resistivity of the conductor. Rho is called resistivity of the conductor. Let us see the conductance. Conductance is nothing but opposite of resistance or reciprocal of resistance. It is also written as G is equal to 1 by R. Conductance is reciprocal of resistance. As we already know what is the formula for resistance, R is equal to rho into L by A. So that's why what happens, G is equal to 1 by rho into A by L. See, R is equal to rho into L by A. It was actually reverse. Rho into L by A. So that's why G is reciprocal. So reciprocal means what? 1 by rho. It was earlier rho. Now it will become 1 by rho into A by L. Or G is equal to kappa into L. Here K is called kappa. Kappa stands for conductivity of the conductor. G is equal to conductance is equal to conductivity into area divided by length. SI unit of conductance is Simon. How we measure R? Resistance as ohm. Resistance is the reciprocal of conductance. So SI unit of conductance is Simon, or it is also denoted by capital S, or ohm, per ohm. Because SI unit of resistance is ohm and the conductance is per ohm. It is also written as mho, MHO, per ohm or mho. Here kappa is called conductivity of the conductor. Let us try to understand what is the unit of kappa. Kappa is equal to what? G into, if I take G, L goes over here and A comes over here. So that's why kappa will be equal to G into L by A. The unit of G is Simon into L, meter by meter square. It will be Simon per meter or Simon per centimeter. The unit of conductivity is Simon per centimeter or Simon per meter. Conductivity of the electrolytic solution. So we have two electrodes. These are the two electrodes, electrode 1 and electrode 2, and this is the distance between those two electrodes. This is the distance between those two electrodes, and this will be the area of cross section of electrode. If this length is 1 unit, the distance between two electrodes is 1 unit, whether it may be 1 centimeter or 1 meter, and the area of cross section is 1 square unit. That means either it will be 1 cm square or 1 meter square. If the distance is 1 unit and the area of cross section is 1 square unit, then it can be defined as conductivity is defined as the conductance of the electrolytic solution. Conductance G of the electrolytic solution when it is placed between two electrodes are in length of 1 meter or 1 centimeter apart or 1 unit apart, and with the electrodes having the area of cross section of 1 square unit or 1 square centimeter or meter. Let me repeat it. Conductivity is nothing but it is a conductance when length and area are in unity. If length and area are in unity, it might be 1 centimeter and 1 cm square, 1 meter and 1 meter square. We call that conductance as the conductivity of the electrolytic solution. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.